Hello and welcome to your Read to Me Student Edition. Follow these simple steps to learn how to use Read to Me. Step 1. Always put on your headphones before you start. Step 2. Click on the study material icon to select the textbook and then select the chapter you want to read. Step 3. Set the reading speed you want. Press the play button and start reading out loud with the voice. Learn the meaning of words by using the English dictionary and the picture dictionary. You can also translate words to a language of your choice. You should practice reading each page 2 or 3 times. Step 4. Click on this button to go to the next page of the chapter. Click on this menu button if you want to add more books or chapters. You can also delete the books or chapters after you have finished reading them. If you want to watch this video again, click on this button. You are now ready to learn English better with Read to Me.